What a beautiful prayer. Thank you so much, Rabbi. Diversity is our strength. Really? Let us see what Holy Quran said 1,440 years ago about diversity. And I'm going to translate from chapter 26, verse number 13 from Holy Quran. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. O human beings, indeed we created you all from one male and one female, and made you into nations and tribes, so that you may know one another. Verily, the noblest of you in the sight of Allah is the most God-fearing of you. Surely Allah is all-knowing and all-aware. In this verse, Allah addressed the whole mankind to reform it of the great evil that has always been causing universal disruption, and that is prejudice due to race, gender, color, language, country, and nationality. Division of men and women into nations and tribes is also an expression of Allah's unique attribute, and that is Al-Khaliq, the creator. That He created infinite number of people with distinctive features extending from one soul, Prophet Adam, peace be upon him. Allah explained that these differences of colors and languages are signs of His greatness and power. Today, we proudly say that diversity is the power. So let's pray. In the Muslim traditions, we raise our hands in front of God to pray. Oh Allah, we thank you for all your blessings in our lives. We thank you for the recent victory of the great leaders in Nassau County, town of Hempstead and town of North Hempstead. We especially thank you for the victory of our dear brother Jack Schnirman as the county controller. Oh Allah, you know Jack is a dedicated, honest, and hardworking young man. Please bless him with the wisdom to make the right decisions and the courage to make the right choices. Oh Allah, shower him your mercy and help him to build the diversity around him and that was created by you. Oh Allah, bless him with the greatest success and open the doors for him to rise to the top. Give him the courage, give us the courage to support him to succeed. Say Ameen. God bless you all and God bless America. Thank you.
Swearing in, take one. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Jack Schnirman,
I, Jack Schnirman,
do
solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I'll support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of New York,
and the Constitution of the State of New York,
and that I will faithfully discharge the duties of the Office of Comptroller
and that I'll faithfully discharge the duties of the Office of Comptroller
for the County of Nassau
for the County of Nassau
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my ability.
Congratulations.
Jack, first of all, congratulations to take you over as a new county controller.
Thank you.
Quickly, what do you feel now?
Feel great, ready to get to work.
And what do you think is going to be the biggest challenge and the biggest opportunity in your office?
Well, we have a lot of reform to do. We laid out a series of priorities to go out and tackle them, and I look forward to it. And I think the real challenge is just breaking through the sort of the crisis and all the challenges that Nassau County has faced to get things moving.
I also want to point out that how many controllers we had in the past?
I think I am the 14th controller.
14 controllers in the past, but this is the first time the most diverse, and I'm going to say the most diverse oath ceremony. Thank you so much for inviting Muslim and Hindu in your inauguration. And by the way, Muslim community is almost 90% of the 9% of the Nassau County, and the first time somebody officially recognized it.
Excellent.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You want to say some quick message for the Muslim community?
Sure, look forward to working with everybody. All are welcome. We've got lots of great work to do together, and I look forward to getting to know everybody over the next 4 years.
Thank you so much, and congratulations again.
You got it. Thank you.
Okay. Tom, can I steal you for 1 minute?
Sure.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you.
Great job. Really. Great.
Raham TV is the largest and the most popular Muslim TV in USA.
Great.
It's been watched all over the world as well.
Wonderful.
Right now you're live around the world.
Wow. Great.
We are lucky to have New York State Comptroller Tom DiNapoli with us. Tom, what do you say about today's event?
Well, it's a real wonderful coming together of the Nassau County community to celebrate the beginning of the term of office of Jack Schnirman as our Nassau County Comptroller. He set the right theme and tone about fiscal responsibility and the key role the Comptroller's office plays in that. And I thought it was wonderful how he had the diversity of Nassau County so well represented. To have Muslim prayer, Jewish prayer, Christian prayer, Hindu prayer, that shows that he understands that, as you said, diversity is our strength. And Nassau is more and more diverse community, including a very strong Muslim American community here. And we all need to work together to make it a better community.
You had been a very good friend of the Muslim community. Would you like to give some special message for the Muslim community in the electoral process?
Well, certainly here in Nassau County, we see the Muslim community very involved in civic affairs. And the opportunity is there, access is there. So whether it was in 2016 with the national election or 2017 with the local election, now it's 2018, all of the state offices are up, and Congress, and we have a U.S. Senate race. I do hope my friends in the Muslim American community will continue to be very involved. That's what makes our democracy strong. Have a voice, have a seat at the table, and that's how we make a stronger New York State, a stronger United States of America as well. And we're very proud of the great collaboration we have with the Muslim community here in Nassau County and across New York State.
Thank you so much, Tom. You've been a great friend. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज नासा काउंटी के कंट्रोलर का ओथ सेरेमनी थी। ये 15वें कंट्रोलर हैं नासा काउंटी के, लेकिन इससे पहले 14 कंट्रोलर्स ने 9% पॉपुलेशन जो मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन है, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 80,000 फैमिलीज़ यहाँ पे रहती हैं नासा काउंटी में, कभी उनको अपने सिस्टम में इंक्लूड करने की कोशिश नहीं की। पहली दफ़ा है कि जैक श्निरमैन ने जो अभी इलेक्ट हुए हैं 2017 में, उन्होंने मुस्लिम्स को इन्वॉल्व किया और स्पेशली इनवाइट किया कि उसको प्रेयर्स में हिस्सा लें। और मैं समझता हूँ कि ये मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के लिए बहुत खुशाइंद बात है और मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी का जो मेन स्ट्रीम इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस में हिस्सा लेने का बड़ा अच्छा मौका है और इनकी रिकग्निशन चूँकि वह हर स्टेप पे हो रही है। पिछले 10 दिन में तकरीबन हर जो ओथ सेरेमनी हुई है उसमें कम्युनिटी को इन्वॉल्व किया गया, डिफरेंट मसाजिद को इन्वॉल्व किया गया, डिफरेंट कम्युनिटी लीडर्स को इन्वॉल्व किया गया। तो मेरा ख्याल है कि अभी हमारी कम्युनिटी को भी बढ़ चढ़ के इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस में हिस्सा लेना चाहिए। इलेक्शन में, हर इलेक्शन में वोट ज़रूर दें और हर इलेक्शन में जितना भी अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, 5, 10, 50, $100 आप पॉलिटिकल कंट्रीब्यूशन भी दें, बिकॉज इसी तरह हमारी पॉलिटिकल ग्रोथ होगी। और समडे जिस तरह अभी टॉम डिनैपली न्यूयॉर्क स्टेट के जो कंट्रोलर हैं, उन्होंने जिस तरह कहा कि 2018 के इलेक्शंस आने वाले हैं और ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इलेक्शन है और हो सकता है 2018 में कोई मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी का कोई शख्स इलेक्शन में हिस्सा ले और शायद इंशाल्लाह इलेक्ट भी हो जाए। तो मैं मुबारक दूंगा, रहम टीवी का शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा कि उन्होंने स्पेशली अपनी टीम भेजी लाइव टेलीकास्ट के लिए और इस प्रोग्राम को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच रहम टीवी, थैंक यू वेरी मच मुफ्ती साहब और हमारे प्रोड्यूसर साहब और पूरी टीम। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।